I am a Nigerian, so watch this quality of road construction, and you would agree with me that the roads we construct in this country and however they award it, it's not in any way up to date. First of all, you are seeing that already this road has been asphalted in a way. Then you also saw the thickness and the quality of the road, the outlay. Then see the concrete outlay. Just give me a reason why this road wouldn't last up to 100 years. This is how contracts should be. Quality. Quality. If you deliver quality, you would have saved the country a lot of money. You would have saved the country billions and billions and trillions of naira in the future. That is what it is.